kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to SDSC Education. Today we will learn social study. The chapter name is Similarities and Differences. In your class, you all may be similar or different in many ways, but all of you are students of any class. In your family too, all the members may look different and have different hobbies, interests and jobs. But despite this difference, you love everyone in your family, is not it? In your country, people are different in the way they eat, dress or speak. But we are one because we belong to the same country. In the same way, some of us may be boys or girls, but we are all human beings. Have you observed a peacock and a peahen? They look different. This is because a peacock is male, whereas peahen is a female. Male and female are the terms we use to talk about the gender of any being. The differences in the physical structure which make people look different help us to identify the gender of a person. Due to the difference in physical structure, we say that our father is a male and mother is a female. Grandfather is a male and grandmother is a female. They all do similar work or different works according to their choice or need. It is difficult to say who does more important work because they all work in various ways to make us comfortable. Whether we are male or female, we are all human beings and are equal. No one is inferior or superior to the other. We all work and live according to our choice and ability. In earlier times, in most houses, mothers took care of the household chores while the fathers worked outside home to earn a living. In the present time, in many homes, both the parents do household jobs as well as work outside to earn a living. Household chores are not treated as mother's work or father's work. They are treated as work or tasks that parents divide between themselves. Earlier, females were considered weaker than the male and not suitable for certain jobs. Even some games were labeled as girls' game and boys' games. Now, male and female can take up any work or games as per their choice. Today, gender does not stop a person from reaching any goal. If one is dedicated and sincere, one can achieve success. In the present time, females have proved that they are capable of doing all the work that only boys did earlier. Even males have proved their capability in certain fields that are earlier labeled as women's work. Now we see both men and women working together as soldiers, doctors, nurses, teachers, sportspersons, chiefs, actors, actresses, and so on. Girls and boys need the same amount of food and exercise to be healthy and strong. Let's know about some men and women who have proved that gender cannot prevent anyone from achieving one's goals. In the field of sports, if we know of great achievers like Sachin Tendulkar in cricket, we also know of Mithila Raj, who is the captain of women's cricket team. Leander Paes as well as Sania Mirza are good tennis players. We know as Vijender Singh as well as Mary Kom and achieve in boxing. Viswanathan Anand and Tania Sachiv are well known for chess. Earlier, women were not seen in the role of police officer, firefighters, or soldiers. However, now it is common to see women in uniformed services. Kiran Bedi was the first woman officer to join the Indian Police Service in the 1970s. In 2002, Harsini Kanhekar became the first female firefighters. Recently, in 2018, Avni Chaturvedi, Mahana Singh and Bhavna Kant became the first women fighter pilots to be included in the Indian Air Force. Cooking food as traditional thought of as women's work, but chefs like Sanjeev Kapoor and Vikas Khanna have changed this view. They are successful people in this field. Earlier, only women worked as nurses in the hospitals. Nowadays, men are also working as nurses in many cities and towns of India. These examples highlight the fact that it is not our gender, but it is our capability, interest, and hard work that help us to take up a profession and be successful. Equal opportunity. Children are keen to learn new things. Their capability should not be differentiated on the basis of being a girl or a boy. This will stop them from growing into independent and able adults. This is helping children to become independent in making choice, be responsible and strive toward success. Thus, gender does not stop anyone from following one's dream. No occupation or profession is bound by gender. So kids, go through learn the chapter, and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.